Welcome everybody. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with a background here, and this background is going to be the entire background. So this is going to be, again, a simple one-page tutorial, and this one-page tutorial is going to be is a very simple website, but yeah, it's going to be very effective. Okay, so let's set up a bit of this body here. So first things first is we need to set up our main page. So I'm going to go div tag here, and it's going to be ID equals page, just like that. And then I'm going to close off this div tag here, something like that. So we got our div tag as page here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in another div tag, and we're going to be adding in a ton of these div tags here. And we're going to make this ID equal to header page, and then the next thing we're going to do is close off that div tag, because we always should close off our div tags, and I always like to do it right away. So let me just, and also we need to make sure that our spacing is correct. So we got this, we got our header page, and then we're going to add in yet another div tag. We're going to call this div. It's going to be ID equals logo, just like that. And then we will close off this div tag here. And if you want to, you can actually copy the closed div tag off into the clipboard for extra productivity. Finding productivity tips is always good here. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our div tag here. And this is going to be div ID equals logo. Okay, and this is going to be our logo in here. And while we're here, we'll close off the div tag, and within this logo, we're going to add in our header 1, and we'll call this, we'll just call it dark coffee for the moment, and we will change that later. Or we can do temp logo, and we'll make that look quite a bit better here. Okay, doesn't look like much, but this will end up in something in just a second. See you in the next tutorial.